Welcome to the spoken tutorial on annotations. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to specify an annotation and how to define a record. To record this tutorial, I am using OpenModelica 1.9.2. You may use any of the following operating systems to practice this tutorial. To understand and practice this tutorial, you need knowledge of class definition in Modelica. Please watch the prerequisite tutorials available on our website. Annotations can appear at multiple locations in a class. They may be used to change simulation settings, to add supporting documentation, and to add icon and diagram views to a class. In the previous tutorials, we used Simulation Setup button in the toolbar to vary simulation settings. Experiment is a model annotation that may be used to vary the following: start time, stop time, tolerance, and interval. Discussion of tolerance and interval are beyond the scope of this tutorial series. Shown here is an example demonstrating the syntax of experiment annotation. Now we shall understand experiment annotation through a class named Bouncing Ball with Annotations. Let me switch to OMEdit. Please download all the files available on our website. Let me open the necessary model files for this tutorial. Press Ctrl+O. Go to the appropriate location on your desktop and select color.mo and Bouncing Ball with Annotations. These files are now open in OMEdit. We will first look into Bouncing Ball with Annotations. This model is an extension of the Bouncing Ball model which we discussed in previous tutorials. Please watch the prerequisite tutorials for more information on this model. Double-click on Bouncing Ball with Annotations in Libraries browser. Let me shift OMEdit window to the left for better visibility. Switch to text view if the class opens in either icon or diagram view. The model is now open in text view. Let me scroll down a little bit. Here we use the experiment annotation to set start time to 0 and stop time to 5 units. Experiment annotation serves the same purpose as Simulation Setup toolbox. Click on Simulation Setup button in the toolbar. You can see the same stop time and start time fields here. We changed the values of these fields using experiment annotation. Let us simulate the model now. Click on Simulate button. Select H in Variables browser. Note that the simulation interval is 5 units. This is due to start time and stop time fields of experiment annotation. Now deselect H and delete the result. Click on Modeling button at bottom right. Now let us learn more about adding documentation to a model using annotations. The highlighted text appears in documentation annotation. Now let me show an application of documentation annotation. Go to the top left of modeling area. Click on fourth button, which is documentation view. You can view the text typed in documentation annotation in the browser. This functionality allows us to add useful information for larger models which require documentation. Close documentation browser. Let me go back to the slides. Record is a specialized class used to define a record data structure. For example, bank accounts have records with person's name, age, etc. as fields. Records can only contain variables. They may not contain equations. Shown here is an example record named person. It has name and age as its fields. Let me switch to OM_EDIT to demonstrate record definition. Let me shift OM_EDIT window to the right. We will now use the file named color. To open it in text view, double-click on color icon in Libraries browser. This record has three variables named red, blue, and green. You may see that Simulate button does not appear in the toolbar. This indicates that records are not meant to be simulated. Now let me go back to the slides. It is easier to understand annotation elements as records. For example, experiment annotation can be considered as a record with start time, stop time, interval and tolerance as its fields. Graphical elements can be interpreted similarly. We will understand more about the interpretation of annotations as records when we discuss icon and diagram views. As an assignment, vary the stop time for simulation of bouncing ball with annotations class from 10 to 20 units. Use experiment annotation for this purpose. Simulate the class after this change. Plot h versus time and notice the change in simulation stop time. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Watch the video available at the following link. It summarizes Spoken Tutorial project. We conduct workshops using Spoken Tutorials. We give certificates to those who pass an online test. Please contact us. If you have questions from the Spoken Tutorial, please visit the following website. We coordinate coding of solved examples from popular books. Please visit the following website. We help migrate commercial simulator labs to Open Modelica. We give honorarium and certificates to those who do this. Please contact us. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by NMEICT, MHRD, Government of India. We thank the development team of Open Modelica for their support. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial.